Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on show caption for calls on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to turn on show captions for call on Skype can be helpful in various situations. For example, if you are in a noisy environment or have difficulty hearing, enabling captions allows you to read what the other person is saying during the call. It improves accessibility by providing a visual aid for understanding the conversation, ensuring that you don't miss any important information. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first open Skype app. After that, click your profile at the top, and then go to the settings menu. Okay, and then select calling here. Okay, next, look for call captions and tap on it. After that, turn this toggle on. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn on show caption for calls on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.